How you doing, everybody? We're here with Chris at ProCar in our engine dyno room, and as you can see here, we are getting our LSX customer 376 with a that looks like some Charger packaging. So yes, that's going to be our 376 engine with our heads and cam package, and this is a very aggressive set of heads. Camshafts quite more aggressive, so definitely a good 1,000 horsepower street car package. And with that F1X, we're going to be starting off with 17 pounds of boost. And you may remember this when we did this build real quick for Mr. Wilhoit down in Texas, and we hurried up, did 3 weeks. We put this engine in his car for some of the Street Outlaw stuff. Well, now we're definitely doing upgrade packages to it so we can make some power with this thing. And base goal is 1,000, but we'll get more out of it than that when we're all said and done. And I'll leave that up to him to be able to talk about the numbers. I won't share them, but you can know it's going to make some power. It's E85, so something he can enjoy on the street and do what he needs to do down there in Texas and have some fun with it. But get it all hooked up, as you can see, be a nice package for him. See what we can do with this good street car Charger setup, something he can drive, enjoy, play around with. So talk to you soon. Take care. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.